If you're a course creator, you've probably felt it. That little voice inside that says, why would anyone buy my course if AI can teach it better? And the truth is, we're living in a world where information has become commoditized. If you're selling information, you're directly competing with AI and you're going to lose. Today, people don't buy information, they buy transformation. And transformation only happens when there's a human on the other side. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 things AI can't do and how to use each one to make your course impossible to replace. The number one thing that AI cannot replace is your stories. Now, AI can tell stories and it can tell stories from other people, it can imitate stories, but the truth is AI hasn't lived those stories. Your experiences give you credibility and help you relate to other people. There are so many ways you can use your stories in the whole journey of building your online course business and when you're selling your online course especially. But one of the ways you can use your story is to open the first lesson of your online course, talking about why you care about the niche and the people involved and what your why is behind launching this online course and wanting to help other people. Telling that story makes connection with your students and they will feel that connection to you and want to be more a part of what you're doing. Number two is your empathy. Just like your story, AI can talk about caring for others, but it can't actually feel emotions. Your human empathy builds connection and retention with other people. When you use the language throughout your entire online course business that says, I get it, that you understand what people are going through, that you've been there before, you acknowledge their struggle. Again, that deepens the connection that you have with your students. Number three is your unique voice. AI can sound smart and it can imitate how you talk, but it can never truly be you. Your quirks, your pauses, your mess ups, those are the types of things that make you magnetic and make you unique. AI will try to clean up your personality, but you shouldn't clean up your personality. You should embrace it. When you're making content, when you're creating your online course lessons, when you're doing live calls, lean into your personality. Be uniquely you. The good parts and the parts that maybe you don't love so much. People will be drawn to those parts of you. Number four is one I love, and it's your values. AI has no real beliefs. It has no compass, no moral compass, but you do. Your values and your beliefs attract the right people, your tribe, and repel the wrong people. And that's a great thing. You should express your values and beliefs throughout your content and throughout your online course to build a community of people that you love and attract the people that want to be connected to you. Are you thinking about starting and launching a brand new online course? If so, I just released a brand new tool called the Freedom Plan Generator. In just about 3 minutes, it will give you a personalized online course launch plan based on your skills and experience. It's a completely free tool and you can try it out by just going over to plan.builtbyparents.com. Back to the video. Number five is your transformation. AI likes to give the step-by-step information, but you have real lived scars. You have real transformation stories, and you can show this is where I was and this is where I am now. And that's one of the most important things to share when you have an online course business is this is who I used to be, this is where I was at, and look at what I've done and look at how you can do it as well. Number six is your community. AI can give answers, but you can make people feel like they belong. People don't just want lessons, they want to be around other people on the same journey that they're on. They want to learn from real other people that are like them, that are doing the same things day to day, dealing with the same struggles. And that's where your community is so important. Through your Q&A calls and other live calls and your communities like maybe on School or Circle, this is where you build that community. Number seven is your character. Trust is the new currency and integrity compounds. And when you have integrity, your students can feel it. When you show up consistently and you truly care for the people in your programs, it will make a huge difference. Number 8 is your frameworks. The frameworks you teach inside your course are unique to you because they're based on the journey you've been on. So when you can look back at your journey and you can take people through the step-by-step that you went through on your journey, that can become your unique framework for getting a result. AI can help you refine your frameworks, but AI doesn't have your unique framework. Number 9 is your connection. At the end of the day, AI can't look a student in the eye and say, "You've got this." And that one sentence, one small encouragement from a human to another human can make all the difference and can be the thing that gets a student to where they want to go. It can change someone's entire trajectory. The human touches, like personal notes or small check-ins or audio memos, these things can make all the difference. And those are things that only you as a human can offer. Number 10 is your intuition. You can feel when someone's disengaged or someone's discouraged. You can feel when things need to change, when the energy needs to rise. AI can't do that. Trust your gut and adapt. That's your unique superpower. AI can make you faster. It can help you do things quicker, and it can make a lot of things better. But at the end of the day, it can't replace you as a real, authentic human. The future doesn't belong to the most automated. It belongs to the most authentic. Your story, your heart, and your experience, that's the real advantage. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.